Looking for car speakers that deliver crisp, powerful sound without distortion? Cerwin-Vega's mobile speakers are designed to bring your music to life with rich bass and clear highs, making every drive feel like a live concert. I recently upgraded my car audio with the Cerwin-Vega XED 6x9350-watt 3-way coaxial speakers, and the difference was immediate. The curvilinear polypropylene cones combined with butyl rubber surrounds create deep, punchy bass that doesn't overwhelm. The balanced metal dome tweeters add smooth, detailed highs without the harshness I used to get from my old Kenwood setup. These speakers even allowed me to fine-tune my power amp to get the perfect sound balance. Having Cerwin-Vega surround sound at home, I knew the brand's quality would carry over, and it absolutely did. What you get with Cerwin-Vega mobile speakers is a combination of high-energy components and precision engineering. They're built to handle a wide frequency range from 50 to 18,000 Hz and offer a sensitivity of 94 decibels, so you hear every note clearly. Plus, they're compatible with an optional 1 piezo add-on tweeter kit for those who want to take their sound even further. If you're serious about upgrading your car audio system for a distortion-free, concert-like experience, these speakers are worth a look. Try them when you're ready to feel the difference.